Need a hand with that?
Oh, yeah. It's not. I think it's the lunch. Oh, wow. Thank you. I've been trying for like 5 minutes.
No problem. Tristan nga pala.
Myra.
Ooh, what's happening here? Ikaw, Moira, may crush ka na pala, ha?
I see you blushing.
Sorry, Moira.
Okay lang, don't worry. Medyo clumsy din ako eh.
Mukhang mabigat yan ah. Tulungan na kita. Saan ba classroom mo?
Roman, pero okay lang, kaya ko naman.
No, I insist. Besides, I need to apologize for making you drop all of your things. So, art club ka pala?
Yeah, I am. Ikaw, any clubs?
Basketball team pero mostly bangko ako eh.
Uy, at least nasa team ka. That's something.
Hindi na tayo. Here you go, Moira.
Thanks ulit, Tristan.
Anytime.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, final. Mall this Friday after school?
Wait, saang mall? Ayoko pag malayo, ha?
Maybe something.
Kakating. Okay.
Oh, hey, Tristan.
Hi, Moira.
Tristan, these are my friends. This is Catriona and this is Catherine.
Hi!
Hello guys, nice to meet you.
Pwede ba kami makashare ng table? Puno kasi sa kabila eh.
Sure, no problem.
Thanks.
Moira, paano pala kita makakontakt? You know, baka kailangan ko ng art tips.
Art tips daw? Art tips? Sure, here. Wait.
Bye-bye.
Message me na lang.
Okay.
Kahit tagal din na, ito'y kinikimkim. Kung sasabihin ba ay diringgin.
Aaminin bang tinatagong lihim? Pag-ibig mo ay tangi kong hiling.
Oh shoot, kailangan ko na pala umuwi. Naghihintay na siguro yung driver ko.
Wow, driver. Social mo naman.
Perks of being an only child, I guess.
Perhaps.
Yan na ata yung sundo ko. Bye, guys!
Bye-bye.
Ma'am Myra!
Hello?
Hey Tristan, it's me, Moira.
Oh, Moira. Wow. I wasn't sure that you'll actually call eh.
Lo, bakit naman hindi?
Wala. Akala ko kasi courtesy lang yung call me mo kanina eh.
Grabe ka naman, hindi naman ako ganon.
Joke lang. Pero honestly, I'm glad you called.
So, what are you doing?
Homework. Ikaw.
May ako na gawin sa akin, tinatamad ako eh.
Kung gusto mo, small talk muna tayo.
Sure, tell me one thing about you na hindi ko pa alam.
Marunong akong maggitara.
Pwede nga.
Oo, pero hindi naman ako magaling. Pero I can play a beat. Ikaw?
I can speak a little French.
Wow, French. Social naman. I was just thinking, baka pwede tayong lumabas ulit minsan.
I'd like that. What did you have in mind?
Kasi gusto ni Sean at Daniel pumunta sa bagong arcade sa mall. This Saturday. Naisip ko lang. Sabi mo kasi na kayo ni Vel, Catherine at Catriona, may plano rin kayong mag-mall, di ba?
Oo, pinag-usapan rin namin kanina eh. Saturday din.
Okay, we can go together.
Arcade with everyone? Sounds fun. The girls would like that.
I'll text you the details na lang, then we'll coordinate.
Thanks for inviting me. Good night, Tristan.
Sige, ako rin. Salamat sa pagtawag mo.
Hello? Tristan? Tristan?
La, yung wifi.
So, the arcade. Are you free later afternoon?
Yeah, I think so. Wala naman ako importanteng gagawin. Oo nga, excited na rin kami. We were already planning to go to the mall later.
Yup, perfect
Gastos
timing. Arcade sounds fun. Sobrang tagal na namin hindi nag-outing.
Great, Tristan and Daniel. Pwede ba tayo magkita sa terminal mamaya? Sige, Daddy. Baliw ka talaga. Oy, Tristan, don't get too distracted, ha? The goal is to have fun, not just to impress Moira.
Nahimik ka nga.
Kiti Tristan, no?
Right? Hindi siya makatingin kay Moira. Looks like someone's got a crush.
Alright guys, I guess I'll see you later then.
Bye! Hey guys, sorry if we made you wait.
You're right on time.
Saan muna tayo?
Arcade first, di ba? Obviously, content agad.
Yeah, move your body.
Okay, basketball agad tayo. Sige, let's go.
Wait, sa claw machine muna kami.
Anong nagkakapan?
Gusto ko yun, no? Yun yung frame na yun.
Okay, my feet are officially dead.
Same. We're going to ikot muna. Window shopping lang. Yeah, baka may sale pa.
Sige, we'll just wait here muna. Take your time, Myra.
Text na lang kami kung tapos na kayo. Yeah, don't do anything we wouldn't do. Okay, alis na kami. Bye!
So, what do you want to play next?
Tara, basketball na lang ulit.
Okay.
Moira, may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Ano kasi, I like you. I like you a lot. So, will you be my girlfriend?
Yes, Tristan. I will.
Maaari bang pagbigyan? Aalis na nga. Maaari bang hawakan ng iyong mga kamay? Sana ay maabot ng langit ang iyong mga.
Ay, sorry po. Sorry po.
Uy, Tristan, audio mo dito. Nag-grocery ka?
Oo. May picnic kasi ako mamaya eh.
Ay, wow. Para kanina yan.
Para sa kaibigan lang.
Wow, mag-ingat ka.
Sige, ikaw din ah. Oh, Moira, hello. Ako na dyan.
Oh, thank you, Tristan.
Here, dito tayo.
This setup is cute. I like it.
Do you? I tried, pero hindi talaga ako marunong sa aesthetic stuff.
I'm thankful you tried. That's what matters.
Here, Moira. I got your favorite.
Thank you, Tristan. Ang sweet mo talaga.
Of course.
Nanggagaling sa aming dalawa.
Ang ganda dito, Moira. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me, Tristan. I'm having a great time.
You know, bago kita makilala, di ako naniniwala sa love at first sight.
Really? Eh, ngayon?
Ngayon, naniniwala na ako. From the moment I saw you struggling with that locker, I knew there was something special about you.
You're such a flirt.
Totoo naman eh. You're beautiful, smart, and funny. Anong hindi ko magugustuhan sa'yo?
You're pretty great too. You're kind, thoughtful, and you always know how to make me laugh. Uy, andyan na pala yung driver ko. Wala na ako.
Okay, ingat ka pa uwi, Moira. I'll see you at school.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tristan, I hope we get to do this again soon.
I hope so too. I will miss you. This adobo doesn't even compare to the one your chef made.
Sinabi mo pa yan. Pero yeah, my chef makes the best adobo ever. Hey, you're going to finish all my food.
So, does anyone know na may math quiz tayo bukas?
Anong quiz? Oo nga pala.
Wow, you girls are too focused. Hi.
Selos ka lang, wala kang ka-share ng baon.
Ayos lang, nakumain ako mag-isa.
Edith?
Oo nga eh. Gusto mo daan muna tayo Alpha Mart para bumili ng ice cream. Yun yung ice cream oh.
Okay.
So, ano bang favorite ice cream flavor mo?
Ube. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Amazing na yun. Ice cream. Hindi kami stick mo gumawa ka.
Ano ba yan? Malat na ka sa takebe. Nakakita pa ako ng ganyan. Hindi!
Mom, I'm home.
Ay, Moira, andyan ka na pala. How was school? Hey! May kasama ka pala? Oh, ano nangyari sa inyo? Ba't pawis na pawis kayo?
Mainit kasi sa labas, ma. Pwede bang kumuha ko ng extra clothes para kay Tristan?
Ay po tita, classmate po ako ni Moira.
So, have I met your parents before?
Po, hindi po.
Really? Ano trabaho nila?
My father is an OFW po and my mother is a sales lady at the mall.
Ganun ba? Sige, paantayin mo na magbihis ka ha. Tapos uwi na lang kita sa driver namin.
Sige po.
Here, Tristan.
Wala bang iba?
Wala kasi akong boy clothes eh.
Sige, thank you.
Saan yung polo ko? Uy, sino to?
Klase daw ni Moira.
Uy, ayos ng shot mo ah. Damit ng anak ko yan.
Salamat po. Sige Moira, una na ako.
Bye.
Hindi mo na yan kaya.
Okay ka lang ba, mahal? You've been sighing for a while now.
It's just that boy Moira's with eh.
Naman tayo. What's wrong now?
Ewan ko. He's just different. Di siya katulad ng mga ibang nakarelasyon ni Moira.
Buti nga yun, diba? All those other boys were spoiled brats. Mukhang mabait naman si Tristan. Pagmano pa nga sa'yo.
Oo nga. Pero, he's too different. Have you seen what he was wearing kanina? They were practically rags. Tapos yung parents
Anong
pa,
meron sa mga magulang niya?
an OFW na sales lady? I mean, wala naman akong masamang sinasabi ha. Pero they don't actually move in the same circle as we do.
Ay, nako, Raquel. Babang mo naman. Hinuhusgan mo yung bata sa trabaho ng mga magulang niya.
Hindi naman sa ganun. I'm just saying, Morris used to a certain lifestyle. Ayoko lang siya masaktan. Tsaka nakita ko sila kanina naglalakad.
So, anong masama doon?
Well, parang close nila eh. They were laughing. Tapos, the way they were looking at each other kanina, parang may something eh. Basta, it's like there's a spark between them. Tapos, si Moira din parang kinikilig nga din eh. I just don't want her to get carried away.
And you think Tristan is going to hurt her? He seems like a nice kid.
I know. But we can give her a little reminder, di ba? Just remind her na mag-ingat siya.
Okay. But don't yell at her. Just remind her.
Okay, I promise. Just want her to know na dito lang tayo para sa kanya.
Anak? Mom? Ma, we just wanted to talk about something. What is it, Mom?
Relax, anak. Usap lang to.
It's about Tristan. What about him?
Nakita ko kung paano kayo nagtinginan, paano kayo nag-usap, kung paano kayo tumawa. You looked happy.
I was happy, Mom.
Anak, you know where we're coming from, right? Gusto lang namin mag-ingat ka.
Mag-ingat about what?
What your mom means is...
Ang ibig sabihin ko, Moira, is that you and Tristan come from different worlds.
Mom? Ano ba yan?
Hindi sa minamalit ko si Tristan, okay? It's just that you're used to a different lifestyle. Baka mahirapan ka lang.
Ma, that doesn't matter to me.
How could you be so sure? Ang bata mo pa.
Ma, I'm old enough to decide for myself.
Decide? Ilang weeks pa lang kayo magkakilala.
Raquel, take it easy.
No, Benji. She needs to know this. Moira, gusto namin protektahan ka.
Pero you don't need to protect me from Tristan.
You just don't understand it yet.
What don't I understand? Na porket hindi siya mayaman, he's not good enough for me?
Moira, anak.
I don't want to talk to you guys anymore. Hindi niyo naman ako pinagkakatiwalaan eh.
Come in!
Hindi ka pa matutulog?
Not yet.
Galit ka pa ba sa mom mo?
A little. It's just annoying.
I know. Pero, you know that she loves you.
I know that naman. But why does she need to dictate me?
She's not dictating you, anak. Nag-aalala lang siya.
Pero hindi na ako bata, Dad. I can protect myself.
I know. And I believe you. Pero kailangan mo siyang intindihin.
Okay.
Okay na, anak. Go to sleep. You still have school tomorrow.
Good night, Dad.
Moira,
Yes?
I love you, anak.
I love you too, Dad.
Morning, anak.
Morning.
Moira, anak. Just want to say...
Mom, please. Huwag na po natin pag-usapan yan.
Anak, we need to talk about this. Gusto ko lang maintindihan mo na I'm worried.
I understand, but you don't need to worry.
I need to worry, Moira. You don't see what I see.
Why? What do you see?
Hindi ko na kailangan kilalanin siya. I can see it.
Ma, ano ba?
Moira, all I want is for you to stay away from him. He's not a good influence on you.
Mom, why are you like this? Hindi mo ba ako pinagkakatiwalaan?
I trust you. But I don't trust that Tristan guy.
But why?
Basta, anak. Sundin mo lang ako. This is for your own good.
This is not for my own good. This is for what you want. Ayoko na. I don't want to try to understand you anymore.
No, Benji. She needs to know this. Moira, gusto namin protektahan ka.
Yeah, okay lang ako. I have to go. May tumatawag sa'yo.
Ha? Hindi naman nagre-ring phone mo. Oh, okay.
So, pre, okay ka lang ba? Para may nangyari sa inyo ni Moira. Oo nga, Tad. You know you can tell us, baka makatulong kami.
Parang iniiwasan niya ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano nagawa kong mali.
Sira, pre. Igala na lang natin yan. Oo nga pala, mamaya punta kami ng cafe mamaya. Gusto mo ba sumama after class?
Gets ako, pre. I'll try to fix things out with Moira muna. Salamat. Moira, sabihin mo lang sa akin kung may problema ka. Ayokong mag-isa mong hinaharap lahat. Kaya nga andito ako, di ba? Lagi ako makikinig sa'yo.
Yes, I will, Tristan.
Ate, kuya, excuse lang po. Padaan po muna bago kayo maglalandian. Utang na po kasi ako.
Eh, sorry.
Thanks, Tristan. Kailangan ko na bumalik na ba?
Is there really a problem? Kanina ka pa kasi tahimik eh. May nangyari ba?
I don't know. Siguro pagod lang ako. Or maybe nervous. I just don't know kung paano ako sasabihin sa'yo. Tristan, I'm sorry I lied. Kailangan natin mag-usap. Please, this is important.
Bakit, Moira? Can we talk somewhere else? Or kahit bukas na lang?
No, Tristan. There's no other time. If I could, I would postpone this. But I can't.
Okay, ano ba yun?
Tristan, I'm breaking up with you.
Of course, pero kailangan mong maintindihan ang resulta ng ginawa mo, Tristan.
What? Hindi kita maintindihan.
Tristan, sorry, okay? I don't want this to happen. Tristan, listen to me. Please, I don't want this. I promise.
Anak! Uy! Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Nothing, Mom. Nadapa lang ako. I just didn't see the rock on the ground.
Mora, tell me the truth. Sino gumawa sa'yo nito? Ito ka lang, anak. Kunin ko yung first aid kit. Anak, tell me the truth. What happened to you?
Nadapa nga lang ako, Mom.
Anak, look at yourself. Your glasses are broken. May mga sugat ka pa dyan. Tell me the truth.
I broke up with him. Tapos he pushed me.
He did what? Hayop siya! I knew it! I'm gonna call your school. They need to know what kind of person they're letting in.
Mom, please don't!
No, Mora. Hindi siya basta-basta makakalusot sa ganyang sitwasyon.
Moira?
Tristan!
Ano naman kaya ginawa ko this time? Mama naman eh.
Seriously, Tristan, tingnan mo yung suot mo. Di ka man lang marunong magsuot ng uniform.
Sorry, ma. Nagmamadali lang po kasi.
Tinawagan ako ng principal mo kagabi. Sabi ko nang iniisip, dinagdagan mo pa. Nakakahiya ka talaga. You've already disappointed me. Tapos pati damit mo, hindi mo pa maayos.
Sorry, ma. I'm trying. Hindi ko naman sinasadya.
If you really were, sana hindi ka pinapatawag ngayon, di ba? Sana hindi na naman ako mapapahiya. Bilisan mo. Kailangan na natin pumunta doon. Your dad's already waiting outside.
Morning, everyone. I've called you today for the incident regarding Miss Moira and Mr. Tristan. So, what exactly did happen right now?
Yes, sir. My daughter would never hurt anyone, especially make the mistake of dating an unfortunate child. She's far too good for him.
Unfortunate? My hardworking, intelligent, at charming na anak? Unfortunate?
Yesterday, Ma'am Raquel called Mr. Tristan, and it is for the alleged harassment that has been happening right now.
Yes, sir. Pag-uwi ng anak ko, may sugat yung mata niya, tapos basag pa yung salamin niya. She would be on the verge of tears if I hadn't asked her what happened. Kawawa naman yung baby ko.
Moira, is this true?
Yes, Principal.
Moira, I didn't mean to. I just...
Kalokohan! Hindi yan basta-basta gagawin ng anak ko. Your daughter must have provoked me to do it. He fought back as an act of defense.
Tristan, I need to know your side of the story. Ano ba talaga nangyari?
Yes, sir. I did it.
That's enough. I didn't think you were the type to do this. Hindi kita pinalaking ganito, Tristan. Nakakahiya ka.
Mom, I'm sorry. I swear, I'll do better.
Tristan, it's fine. Let's go. Mag-sorry ka na.
Sorry.
Ano? Hindi ko narinig. Lakasan mo.
Diesel!
Barbara,
I'm sorry, okay?
And what about my daughter's glasses? Basag na basag. Alam niyo ba magkano yun?
Accidents happen. Ano ngayon?
Those glasses were expensive. My daughter just can't go around with broken glasses.
Raquel, mahal, kalma lang.
Are you going to replace them or not?
Sir, we're willing to accept whatever punishment you see fit. We'll replace the glasses. There, tapos na ba?
Ma'am, that will do it all for now. Tristan, Moira, ayoko lang tumulit na. Parents, thank you very much. And sa pagiging social natin, pwede lang po tayong tapos.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing.
Barbara, kalma lang. Sabi natin babayaran natin. We'll figure it out.
Figure it out? We're barely making ends meet as it is. At saka, pinahiya mo kami sa harap ni Raquel at ni Principal Pica. Alam mo ba kung gaano kahirap ipasok ka sa school na yon? Tapos ngayon, ito pa? Tumingin ka nga sa akin kapag kinakausap kita. I'm sorry. Just you really have to cooperate. Na hindi ka sinasabi sa amin.
I don't know. It just happened, okay?
It just happened? Tristan, hindi yan dahilan!
Barbara, tama na. Halata naman naguguluhan siya. Tristan, anak, can you tell me what happened?
I don't wanna talk about it, okay?
Of course, pero kailangan mong maintindihan ang resulta ng ginawa mo, Tristan. Hindi ito laro. Totoong buhay to. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin natin.
Ang bilis talagang magalit ng mga lalaki, no? Kawawa naman si Moira. Hindi niya deserve yun. Imagine hurting your girlfriend like that. Nakakahiya.
Didn't mean it. I swear. Tinry ko na mapigilan siya. Hindi ko sinasadya siya!
Relax ka lang, okay? You're in a safe place. So, what made you come here today?
So, I don't know where to start. It's like I'm always afraid, even when it's quiet.
Yeah, just a long day.
I always feel like something bad is going to happen.
Afraid of what?
Of people. Parang inuhusgahan nila ako kahit wala akong ginagawa. I want to run and hide. I feel like they all hate me.
How are you feeling right now?
Shame. And fear. Hindi dahil sa nangyari, pero naaalala ko pa din.
But this time, you didn't run away.
I wouldn't make things harder. I always do. That day, tumakbo ako. And every time I think about it, iniiwasan ko. Uber, diba?
You still remember?
Siyempre naman.
Thanks, Dan.
Ayoko na maging taong yun. Yung taong nakasakit sa mahal niya.
Then this is where it starts. If Moira was here, what do you think she'd want for you now?
Na hindi tumakbo.
Kinsukat, ngunit ba't ba ang dito pa rin? Hirap na kung intindi. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako'y dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay pa.
Moira?
Tristan? Ang subol pala yun, no?